And welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best translation overlay for Rednote. Now, the best translation overlay for Rednote actually depends on your specific need and preferences. Here are a few popular options. The first one we have is Google Lens. Now, what are the pros of Google Lens? It is easy to use and integrates with Google Translate. It also works offline. What are the cons? It may not be as accurate or as a dedicated translation app, and then it's limited to only text translation. Second one we have is called the Tenorshare PDNub AI image translator. Now, what does it do? The pros is that it's specifically designed for translating text and images. It supports multiple languages and it even preserves image format. The cons, it requires a paid subscription and may not be as user-friendly as Google Lens. The third one we have is Google Translate. What are the pros of Google Translate? It is accurate. It gives you accurate translation. It supports many languages and it is free to use. The cons, it requires manually selection of the text and may not be as convenient for images. Now we have other options like Microsoft Translator, which is similar to Google Translate with good accuracy and offline support. We have DeepL Translator. It is known for its high quality translation, but it requires a paid subscription. We have Yandex Translate, another good option with offline support and a user-friendly interface. Ultimately, the best way to find a perfect translation overlay for you is to try out a few different options and see which one works best for your needs. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.